Kai Soto cannot be replaced. That is where your reference point is. And that is where ang kampo ni Kai Soto, they understand that value. They know that that's the hook. Look at my message board was inundated by messages when I broke the news na isa sa dalawang bigs, mag-reverse course, lalaro na. Ang dami nagsabi, sana si Kai. And Kai is so appealing to the Filipino fan base. It's because atin siya, he's full-blooded. Sina Dwight Ramos, Phil yan eh, Phil Russian yan eh. Yung iba, Phil Spaniard. Yung iba, Phil ito si Kai is ours. Pure Filipino. Red, white, and blue. Lupang hinirang. Laking Pilipinas. So that's why. And that's the hook na alam ng side ni ano. And then also, Kai Soto already, allegedly, made 200,000 at least sa World Cup. It's not about asking money. It's not about, pera. No, it's about value.